Now here's an update on DITHEJANE. A lot of people asking questions. Is he staying at TS Galaxy or is he moving on? For now, he is staying put with the Rockets. The reason behind that is that Tim Sukazi, the chairman, making it absolutely clear that he will not sell on the cheap, even though the business model is to allow their best assets to move on to, even if it's rival Betway Premiership clubs. Given the amount of money that Mamelodi Sundowns have spent on incoming signings, one of them being Brian Leon, a Colombian centre forward, in and around 57 million rands with add-ons. DITHEJANE also valued quite high. Not sure of the exact numbers, but TS Galaxy feeling like if Sundowns are going to approach them, the bid needs to be a lot higher than what it is at the moment. So for now, they've said no Sundowns, try again later. By the way, the chairman has made it clear also that he is willing to sell to Kaizer Chiefs, who have seemingly expressed an interest in a player that they lost for just under $1 million or around $1 million in compensation to TS Galaxy when he was part of the reserve league about 2 years ago, and now potentially leaving the club. As it stands, he is still a TS Galaxy player because the offer is not good enough. Now keep it locked on all my social media platforms for news around the AFCON, the Betway Premiership, and everything African football.